today I am bringing you the highly requested shower routine. This is my over 40 feminine hygiene shower routine to smell good all day. My days are so fast paced, so I am very intentional about slowing down during bath time. Before hopping in the shower, I like to dry brush to reduce cellulite and promote lymphatic drainage. A lot of people told me they suffer from only one armpit getting musty, and the only thing I can think of is the lymph might need cleansing. So try incorporating dry brushing. Start by gently massaging the lymph node, then do a quick dry brush. I spend no more than 5 to 7 minutes dry brushing on most days. I then get into the shower. I wash my face with my Avo Cosmetics clarifying cleanser. After that, I go in and wash my whole body. I use Dove. I am obsessed with the Dove Glacier Bar. Obsessed with the Dove Oat Milk Bar. I am obsessed with the Dove Body Serum Body Wash. They are all so good, and that is the one that I'm using today. I then go in and do my scrub. I usually save this for the tub when I'm soaking, but sometimes I use it while I'm showering on my elbows and my knees. I do my body spray. I feel like I smell good for so much longer when I hit freshly cleansed skin with a body spray first. Recently, I have been using the Saltier Body Moisturizer, and this vanilla one smells amazing. Balm boobs to firm, tighten, and lift saggy breasts naturally. You can find it on my site. After that, I do a perfume oil, my cornstarch on top of the body oils so that I can stay cool and fresh. Deodorant under the arms, of course. Once out the shower, I go straight into skincare, starting with witch hazel, next my Avo Cosmetics botanical toner, and then I go in with whatever my skin needs. I will grab an essence, moisturizer, serum that address whatever current skin concerns I have. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion, and it is me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, giving you all of the tea, babe, on what's hot, what's not, because it is my job to keep you looking good. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. In the meantime, hit like, hit share, hit subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one.
I've been losing friends and finding peace.